Hey guys, so to create our e-commerce platform, we need a free blogging platform, and we're going to be using the Google Blogger, which is offered for free by Google. To create the platform, all we need to do is to create an account here. So to get to this point, you go to blogger.com, then make sure you have a Google account. For you to be able to use this platform, you need to have a Google account. So when you land to this place, all you need to do is to click on sign in or create your blog. So when you click on create a blog, it's gonna bring you to your Google account, to this dashboard where you can log in your Google account. But I have an account, so I'll just log in my account to show you how you can create your own free blogging platform. Like I told you, you can click on create your blog and sign into your account. So I'll log into my account now. So this is my account. Okay, so I'll click on create new blog. So all I need to do right now is to choose the name of the blog. Remember, I'm going to write the name of my e-commerce store. I'm going to show you how to integrate it in subsequent lessons. So the name of my e-commerce class, my name of my e-commerce website or store would be King's Real Online Shop. So it will be King's Real Online Shop. It's kind of long, but I think it will be available, so that's why I chose it. So King's Real Online Shop is the name of the platform. I click on next, so it will tell me to choose an address. So by default, the website we're gonna have a blogspot.com subdomain. So I'll show you in subsequent lessons how you can connect your own special domain name, custom domain name to this site and have it look more professional. So for the purpose now, I'll just go with any real. So I'll say King's Real Online Shop. So King's Real Online Shop.blogspot.com. Click on save and check if it's available. So it's available, and here is the blog. It's created already. Okay, it's created. So I can now click on view site and actually view the site and see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So make sure you join me in subsequent videos to actually see how we're going to edit this site. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.